In today's episode of Bodie and Noah's Wild Kingdom, we've got a whole bunch of birds outside, out back. So I'm going to open the door. The birds will probably startle for me, but why don't you finish the job off? And then I will throw the promised ball that's in my right hand, my throwing arm. We're in good shape. I'm holding the camera in the right hand. All right. Hey. Calm down, mister. Now remember the script. All right, here we go. Yes, the birds flew, and there's the ball. Is that you squeaking? Let's go see these birds. They're not going to go far from their food source.